start of the day.
Teachers can open the doors, but you must enter it yourself.
திருக்குறள் மலத்துக்கண் மாசிலன் ஆதல் அனைத்தரன்
அகுல நீர பிற.
Today's news. International news. A magnitude 5.2 earthquake struck Pakistan early today. National news. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India ordered the removal of food waste and energy drinks labeled ORS, saying the term as misleading for consumers. Educational news. CBSE has said that there is no official deduction for the 2025 board exam. Sports news. 2025-26 Ashes series between Australia and England begins today with the first test in Perth. Weather news. IMD warns